What's going on, guys? Cal.ATLNK. Just coming back with another video, kind of discussing a controversial topic on, like aftermarket or even OEM, just online stores. One in particular, I'm pretty sure everybody knows, CarID. So I've been trying to get essentially fog lights on my car, and the first go around, and it's always been on the passenger side. It's kind of funny, even the passenger side on my car is actually blown up. But initially, they sent me a passenger fog light, and the passenger fog light is broken. So, literally, this is how they literally sent it to me. And it's been twice in a row now. I'm not even going to take it out the bag because there's glass everywhere, and you can kind of see it down there. It's like shattered. It's all fucked up. It's just all bad. I wish I can even show it in a bit more detail before it can focus, but it's all fucked up. I'm not about to take it out the bag because it's the glass is going to get everywhere. So, and naturally, of course, I know it's probably not the manufacturer. It's probably the shipping or whatever the fuck else. Or I don't know who does their shit, this mask thing. But the box is fucked up. It's completely done, beat. There's no protection on this shit. One layer bubble wrap, yada yada, so forth. So I get in contact with him. I'm like, hey, pretty sure it's a simple process. You just go talk to him, say that you need to get another package, yada. So I go talk to him, and it probably took him this whole process. Probably for me to get this one, the new fog light that they're sending me. For me to get the second fog light, probably took at least, I don't know, like a week or two or something like that. It was a long ass process or whatever like that. And that was just only alone of just seeing the pictures and everything else like that. Because I already submitted the claim, uploaded the claim. Then they need additional pictures. Then they need additional pictures again. I'll show the whole shot receipts and shit later on and stuff like that in the video or whatever. But literally the whole time, I'm over here trying to send the pictures. I already sent the pictures 3 or 4 times. I'm waking up in the morning because I work all damn day. Sending pictures of the fog lights, broken, the bag, the box, everything. And then I sent it to him. That the pictures weren't good enough. I need more pictures. I'm like, what else do you need more pictures of? I sent you pictures of the fog lights. The fog lights broken, shattered. This is obviously a shattered product. I like to get my product replaced. Go through all these loopholes and like that. Then one person says that that they're processing my order. Then I get another one saying, yeah, we need like more pictures. I'm just like, so what? Like what do y'all need? What do y'all exactly need? Anyway, so going back into it is, after all that, I get the second fog light, and here's the part that now you obviously notice that these boxes are pretty close alike, right? Well, I haven't even opened this box yet, but I'm just gonna let you hear this. That sounds like shattered glass, bro. It's literally, I'm not even gonna open it because I'm pretty sure if I open this shit, I remember when I first opened this one, the whole damn bag just fell with just glass all over my damn bed, and it was retarded. But I mean, I'm not even gonna open this. Like, it has to be shattered, yo. And it's funny, it's fucked up in the same spot basically, just like how in this one, it's just like this one. I mean, like, bro, like, and they sent me this twice. And I put the claim in, so I put the claim in again, and I said, y'all send me another fog light. Can I please get the correct fog light? And I haven't heard back from anyone in probably 3 days now. So, now, of course, I'm filming this on a Sunday, but I got this on Wednesday, and I've put the claim in, and it's been 3 whole business days, and I haven't heard anything back yet. So, it's just like, can I get a fog light in better protected packaging? Because obviously it's not from the manufacturer. Whoever the fuck is making the fog light isn't sending it like this. But you sent it before it broke, and you send it in the exact same way the next time it breaks again. Why would you not put it in more protective packaging? Like, I mean, I'm just saying, like, it's bro. I'm not even gonna open this bag up. I mean, this box up. Like, literally, it's even more shattered than this one. At least this one was in one piece. This fog, here, fuck it. I'll just take it out anyway. I'll take it out. I'll just put this shit over here or something so that I'm not laying in fucking glass at night. Well, just look, man. It's literally the whole fog light That's it right here. I mean, bro, like, and even the back, even like something had to really hit this thing hard for literally the back little. What I'm trying to get it to focus. I don't know why. Yeah, there it goes. That little chip, with a little flange there for the light, whatever like that. That's chipped off. Like, I mean, how did that? Like, how the hell did that happen? Like, hold on. A second, I gotta put this back in here. I don't need this glass. It's even look. I even hear shaking inside the fog light. It's like, oh my god! But the first one, this one was in one piece. This one that they sent me again, all shattered. It's all shattered. And of course now, I don't hear anything back for days on end. So I'm just patiently waiting. And I'm like, I mean, you know, I don't know, man. It's like I've bought one thing off of CarID before. It was back when I was driving my dad's truck or else like that. He has an old 6 Ram 1500. It's great for OEM shit. I'm pretty sure. But you're buying anything aftermarket wise. Well, the thing is, these aren't even aftermarket. They're OEM parts. But anything else you're buying in terms of like just aftermarket stuff or just anything like that or whatever else, I feel like the customer support is just literally. I had 4 or 5 different people email me the same shit. I uploaded pictures. I sent like 2 claims to it because I didn't hear anything back the first time for like 4 days. Then I hit another claim. I'm like, when am I gonna get my fog light? Like, I mean, Jesus, like. And then y'all send me the fog light. I mean, y'all obviously got it correct, but you sent me. I'm not even gonna open this, bro. I'm not even gonna open this because it sounds like a fucking Christmas gift, bro. Like Christmas lights or some shit in there. Like, bro, like, no, I'm not, bro. It's CarID. I don't know, man. I'm just gonna hands out right say they suck. I don't know. After this experience, because I haven't bought shit from before, why would you package it the same way? Or at least give me some terms of like time frame on when I'm gonna get my shit. Because I was at work and I said, oh yeah, you got a package. I'm like, okay. I go see the package. I come home later on. I see the package and I shake the shit and it's all fucked up. And I put another claim like, hey, y'all sent me, and I emailed the same person that sent me the last email. Hey, I got the second package that you sent me. The replacement was damaged. Can I get another one? Haven't heard anything back. So, I don't know. Y'all be the judge of it. I feel like CarID is just like, I don't know. They suck. They hands down suck. I mean, they suck. There's no way to put it. So, I'll keep y'all updated in terms of this. My whole plan, because literally when I first got these lights, I got the aftermarket headlights or like that. I bought these from them. Everything else came in fine. My driver side fog light came in fine too. But the passenger is the one that's messed up. But all I wanted to do in one day, do a full install when we did the headlight video, was to do the headlights. Or I did the oil change shit like that, and I was going to do the fog lights and tint the fog lights. But of course I couldn't do that because the passenger one was blown out. So I mean, you know, I don't know, man. I don't know. It's just CarID. It's like I'm trying to do this, and I'm trying to work, and I'm trying to, you know, do other stuff for Night Kids brand, stuff like that, and I gotta worry about broken parts, and I don't get any response back. Like it would be different if I was getting a back and forth response. It'd be different if I was getting like a back and forth response, but I'm not getting anything. So the fact that I got this and I'm not getting any response back is really just telling me that they kind of just really don't give a shit. At least y'all sent me it, but I mean, it's basically the same damn thing. It's fucked up in the same. It looks like somebody damn near fucking burned it or something. But like, bro, what is this? Like, somebody stabbed us with a pencil? Like, what's going on here, bro? Like, it's the same exact thing. Just this one just got slammed into a wall. Like, I mean, I don't understand, man. I don't understand. Like, I don't know. CarID, y'all gotta do better. Y'all gotta do better because this shit right here is like mediocre. It hands down is mediocre. So yeah, that's my whole spiel or else. You know, y'all just stay tuned for any other videos. I'm trying to get this installed as soon as I can and hear back. If I get anything back, then I'll let y'all know. You know, again, follow us on Instagram at Night Kids Media. Mine is Mikhail.atlnk. And I'll let y'all know what's going on in terms of just anything else with the Suzuki. So, alright, peace out.